Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove packaging and any factory oil by scrubbing briefly with hot water and a small amount of soap if needed. Once dry, place the cast iron tawa on medium heat for 10-15 minutes to drive off moisture and open the metal's pores. You'll see slight color change and maybe light smoke. This is normal. Make sure the flame or burner heats evenly. If one spot glows hotter, lower heat and rotate the tawa to distribute temperature. Once the tawa is warm and dry, you apply a thin layer of oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons, while wearing an oven mitt because the metal is hot. You spread the oil into an even film with a folded paper towel. Make sure there are no drips or pools because pooled oil creates sticky spots. Next, transfer the tawa to an oven at 200 degrees C and let it bake for 1 hour. This polymerizes the oil into a hard, non-stick layer. After an hour, turn off the oven and let the tawa. You finish by repeating the thin oil and bake cycle 3 to 4 times. Each layer builds a darker, harder seasoning, so be patient. Once done, cool and wipe with a light coat of oil to store. This prevents moisture and rust. If the surface becomes sticky, scrub gently with 0.5 teaspoon baking soda and hot water, then reapply a thin oil layer and bake briefly. If rust appears, remove with steel wool, dry fully, and immediately re-season to restore the protective layer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.